Oculus VR introduced its next generation of Rift headphones, a pair of higher-resolution virtual reality glasses that eliminate the need for external cameras by incorporating built-in tracking. The name of the device is Oculus Rift S. In a surprise turn, it has been developed in association with Lenovo. Oculus says it reached an agreement with the Chinese electronic giant to help it accelerate manufacturing and improve the original Rift design. The result is a new virtual reality device that is more comfortable, has a resolution of 2560x1440 or 1280x1440 per eye and has the same internal tracking system that will be sent in the next Oculus independent headset, which the company called Oculus Perspective. That way, you will not need uncomfortable cameras to allow movement of the entire body. In another twist, both the Quest device and the Rift S device will cost exactly the same at launch, $399, with the same pair of slightly modified touch motion controllers included and the same integrated audio system plus an audio headphone jack external. That decision makes it clear that Oculus wants its VR platform to offer an option not between two very different pieces of hardware, but by the simplest determination of whether you have the hardware to drive the PC-grade VR. In terms of design, the Rift S features the Oculus and Lenovo brands, as well as a new Halo-style strap that you're probably familiar with if you've ever seen or used a PlayStation VR headset. The Halo strap allows for a more comfortable fit and allows you to mark the device forward and backward with a button on the back of the band. The upper strap is there to fit the head, while a slider under the right side of the headset is used to zoom in or out of the physical lenses of your eyes. The adjustment of the pupillary distance can now be done through a software configuration. Beyond the higher resolution screen and the Halo strap, the Rift S also has an additional fifth sensor that is not found in the Oculus Quest.